Hello, welcome to this short installation guide of Git. To start, open the command prompt and type in git -- version. If this prompt shows up, that means you do not have Git installed. If this prompt shows up, that means you do already have Git installed and you can stop watching here. To download Git, you could either look up Git SCM or go to the link in the description and use the link there. Use the downloads link under Git SCM. Make sure you use the Windows link. Use the click here to download link unless you're a more advanced user, in which case you could use one of these following installers. If you have Ask Save Location on, then a window like this will pop up to ask you where you want to save the installer. If not, it will usually go straight to your downloads folder. Once you have the Git installer downloaded, go to the folder where you have it saved and open the installer. When this prompt shows up, hit yes, hit next, and if you want to change where the Git package is saved on your computer, you can change where you have it downloaded. If not, you can just hit next. Here, I recommend checking the Add Icon on Desktop option, and then clicking Next. For the rest of these options, generally you can just use the default options and keep clicking Next until it finishes installing. Once the installation has completed, you could hit Finish and either look up Git Bash to make sure that it has successfully installed. This is what Git Bash looks like. Or you can open the command prompt and type in git -- version again. If this shows up, congrats, you are done. If not, you can try the method mentioned previously. Thank you for watching.